iPhone lock to owner? Can't unlock the activation lock on iPhone? Here, you'll find how to unlock the activation lock easily. First part is how to remove the activation lock on another device with Apple ID and password. Way 1. Remove iCloud activation lock on Find My app. Launch the Find My app. At the bottom, tap on Devices to see your list of devices. Choose your device, and then scroll down to select Remove this device. Tap Remove again and enter your Apple ID password to delete your device from iCloud. Way 2. Remove iCloud activation lock at iCloud.com. Visit iCloud.com and log in using your Apple ID credentials. From the All Devices list, locate and select the device you want to remove. Click on Remove this device. Next, input your Apple ID password to disconnect your device with iCloud. Way 3. Remove iCloud activation lock at account.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Devices and choose your iPhone. Select your device to view its details, then click Remove from Account. Second part we introduce is how to remove the activation lock without Apple ID and password. Way 4. Remove iCloud activation lock via Activation Unlocker. Once connected, select the Remove iCloud activation lock option on the main screen and click Start. Click Start to remove to disconnect your device from iCloud. Ensure it remains connected throughout the process.